that we have, right? So here is my begin, and here is the end. Here is the begin and the end. Okay, so the minute I come in when R is 1, I set my high value and I set it to R, 1. Now what is R, 1? When R is 1, 1, 1. R is 2, 2, 1. R is 3, 3, 1. So effectively, for each row, when I'm working out the highest for the first row, I set high to the first cell, 1, 1. When R is 2 and I'm looking at the second row, I set high to R, 2, 1, which is that. When I'm looking at the third row, I set high to 3, 1. So that's what this is doing. This R, 1 is doing here, right? It's setting it to whichever row I'm in, and 1 means I'm always in column 1. And then, as I indicated, I'm looking for a new high value. If I find it, replace it. And when the inner loop finishes, remember this is going to run 4 times. When it finishes, it does the output, and we are displaying high. It does the output, and then I go back to the top. R becomes 2, and I reset my high. High now becomes 2, 1, which means I'm working with the second row. And the C loop goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's looking for the highest value. When it finds that highest value, when that loop finishes, it comes and it prints the highest value, go back to the top, R becomes 3, and so forth. You really should be getting the idea, because this is the same concept that was explained when I summed up each row. It's exactly